Whenever I ask you a question, I squeeze your neck, you open and close your mouth whenever I squeeze. You ready for this? We're going to turn you into a star. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to the two stars of the show today. Over here is Garth. Say hello, Garth.
Hello.
And over here is our newest friend. And what is your name?
Joe.
What was that?
Joe.
Do that again. Joe?
Joe.
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 Yeah. Your name Joe?
My name's Joe. That puppet's cute.
Okay, stop that, stop that.
Ch-ch-chia.
Leave him alone, leave him alone, leave him alone.
He's crazy.
I know he's crazy. Now, Joe,
Yeah.
we're going to ask you a couple of questions today. Is that okay with you?
Sure.
Okay.
He's got a high voice.
I know he's got a high voice.
Why has he got a high voice?
I'm giving him a high voice.
What are you squeezing that there?
Now, stop it.
Strange show.
Yeah, now, Joe,
Yeah.
you having a good time at that CNE today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have what is it? Oh, dinner. Did you have dinner?
Uh-huh.
What'd you have for dinner?
Chicken.
Huh?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Chicken.
Yeah. You like chicken?
I love chicken. Great. Lots and lots and lots of chicken.
Great.
Chicky, 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 chicky.
He loved chicken. He loved chicken.
I love chicken.
You have lunch?
Uh-huh.
What'd you have for lunch?
Chicken.
Ah! More chicken.
More chicken.
Why so much chicken?
Because Joe likes chicken. Chicky, 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 chicky. Chicky, chicky.
Chicky, chicky.
Chicky, chicky.
Chicky, 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 It's only clap. This is hard. Chicken. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. See, chicken for dinner, chicken for lunch. What about breakfast?
Eggs.
Eggs. Not chicken.
Close enough.
That's true. That's true. Anything to drink today? What'd you have?
Pop.
Pop?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of pop? Coca-Cola. Okay. How many did you have?
9.
9. A lot of Coca-Cola, a lot of eggs, a lot of chicken. What do you have to say for yourself, Joe? Oh. Give Joe a round of applause, you guys.